Here I have Nokia 2.1 and let me show you how to enter the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then let's connect your device by using micro USB cable. Here I have the micro USB cable connected to my computer, but it could be also connected to your charger. Let's just connect your device and let's wait until the battery icon pops up. So now you may notice the battery icon, so now let's start holding the power key and volume down. Let's keep holding those two keys, power key and volume down, and let's wait until the download mode pops up. Keep holding both keys. And that's it. As you can see right here, the download mode is on the screen. So now you may simply use this mode. If you would like to quit this mode, let's just press power key for a long time. Let me show you. Keep holding power button. Release power as soon as phone goes black. Now the device is restarting and rebooting. Let's just wait a few seconds until the home screen pops up in front of you. Excellent, now you can unlock your screen and start using your device in a normal mode. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.